Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a skincare review video from the brand Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is one of those brands that I have been always admired when I was watching TikToks and YouTube videos from the girlies out in the US. They have been always talking about this brand because Glow Recipe, it was mostly available in Sephora. Obviously you'll find Sephora now in the UK as well because they opened 2 branches actually. Or more branches in the UK, but obviously there's 2 in London and the Westfield boutiques. I mean the Westfield shopping malls. Why did I say mall? Shopping centers, let's say the English version. Mall is definitely American. So you'll find Glow Recipe in Sephora, but I feel like now you'll also find Glow Recipe and Feel Unique and other cosmetics or beauty online websites as well. So I've been always intrigued by this brand. They have a set which is called Fruit Babies, and I've been always wanting to try something from this brand. And this set contains, I don't have the packaging, I'm gonna, hopefully if I find it, I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen. It's basically a minis of the best-selling products, as well as it has like a skincare routine with it. So with this kit you can have your skincare routine done because it contains 5 products, and these 5 products I believe are the best-selling products. Well, I think one of the products has been really viral, or maybe 2 of the products have been really viral and really popular here on the social media such as TikTok. So obviously it's really lovely to see that this product is included in this set. Obviously I went and I bought it a long time ago, and I've been using this set now for over a month now. From 2 out of 5 of the products are already finished because they're not minis, they're more deluxe sizes. So obviously with me, I am not really using products sparingly. I really like to go and use the product if I want to get the real kind of effects of it. So I don't use it sparingly, I really use it depending how much my skin needs on that day. So I've been using this product for over a month now, and I must say, today I obviously have my skincare on. Can you guys see my skin? It's honestly in such a great condition. I'm gonna just say how my skin is at the moment. It's a really good condition, very smooth, very soft, no kind of redness, very like my skin texture is very even, there's no unevenness. My pores are very smooth, forehead is lovely smooth as well. So overall, my overall appearance of my skin texture is really good. I'm really happy. And of course the glow. Wow, the name says it all. Glow Recipe is a brand that gives you an instant glow, and it does gives you this instant glow. Oh my goodness, can you guys see the glow? Maybe not now, but when you use these products it gives you such an amazing glow. And this is, I think, the unique selling point with this brand, because if you have dry, dull skin, and I feel like this brand is the one for you, because honestly having dry, dull skin is not the one, and this brand or these products really gives you this instant boost of hydration, instant boost of kind of glowiness that your skin wants. My skin type is dry combination, I would say. It does get oily, but I love this glow. Honestly, who doesn't like a glowing skin? Anyways, enough about my skin. I'm gonna show you guys the products one by one. So, and the first thing obviously that you use as a skincare routine is a cleanser. So you have the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. This is a nourishing and also is a makeup removing cleanser as well. My overall real honest opinion of this is a really lovely cleanser. It's very lightweight. It does foam really lovely, doesn't strip your skin or anything like that. And yeah, overall I feel like it's a really good cleanser. You get 20 ml in this, so it will last you. I'm like halfway through it, so it will last you a long time as well. To be honest, it's not like a product that you have to go and splurge on it. It's a nice cleanser. I feel like cleansers in general are really hard to top, because what do you want more from a cleanser? It should nourish, it should kind of exfoliate as well, it should kind of foam, you know, it should clean your skin. So it does the job, and it's overall it's a really good cleanser. Next, what do we have? We have the viral product. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. You get 25 ml in this, and this is the viral product that has become really popular, and this is one of my favorite products, guys. Oh my god. I don't know what they've put inside. I love watermelons in general as a fruit, but the smell of this, I wish Glow Recipe, if you're watching, I don't know if you are, please bring a perfume version of this. This smells insane. You need to bring a body care range of this, because a body wash or body lotion of this is insane. I'm in love with the scent, first of all. It's really, really lovely. It's not really sticky. I use it actually on my hands. I put it on my hands and just rub it in and just pat it onto my skin like that, and it gives me this instant hydration. Obviously absorbs very quickly onto the skin and just gives a lovely barrier onto my skin. I feel like this is a hero product of Glow Recipe, and it does what it says. It says, be sure to apply sunscreen daily after use. This is interesting. Okay. I do use my sunscreen, of course, on top of the moisturizer, which is a different brand. But yeah, really like this and cannot wait to get the big size of this. For sure have to get this. The next thing, you get an eye cream. This is the Guave Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. You get 3 ml. This is the first product I finished very quickly. Eye creams with this, I must say, is really hard because I need to use a full bottle in order to give my honest opinion about an eye cream. This is okay. It does nourish, it does hydrate the under eyes. Did I see a massive difference? Not really. What's it supposed to do? Brightening. I mean, I don't have the words under eyes, you guys can see, but it does the job. It gives a really lovely hydration under the eyes as well. If you want an even more glowing skin, I think this is the second viral product. This is the Watermelon again. Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and you get 15 ml, and this is a serum. I still have halfway through. I've been using this mostly at night time because I feel like this is too much of a glow, because if I use the toner and if I use this, it's basically I am wet and I don't want this look. So I've been using it as nighttime. Do not leave in direct light. Okay, made in Korea with globally sourced materials. Interesting. First time I'm reading this. Again, very lightweight, very fast absorbing serum. Smells amazing. Again, it gives you a lovely hydration and a glow. Oh my goodness. When I use this every time at nighttime, my skin loves it. It drinks it up, because I feel like at night my skin was very dry, and this honestly drinks everything up, and I love it. Actually, maybe this and this I might get full size, because of course these are the viral products. And the thing is, the viral products, of course, people talk about them and you get into this hype, but they're really good. They're actually really, really good. And lastly, the final product in the kit that you get is the Plum, this is such a tongue twister, Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gel Cream, or cream. I don't know why I said gel, because I feel like the texture is like a gel, that's why I said gel. It's just a hyaluronic cream. And this is another product I completely finished. Smells really good, really amazing. I've got it on my lips in here. It's fine, I can use it as a lip balm as well. It's completely finished, you guys. Completely finished, you guys can see. Again, this is not like wow product, that I must say. It does give the lovely hydration, does makes my skin look amazing afterwards, and I like it. If you're looking for a nice cream, this is a good one. Doesn't give you a plumping effect, but it gives you a nice glowing hydration. How many times can I say the word glow in this video? But it's just the key word in this video is glow. So yeah, I really like it. I wouldn't necessarily go and repurchase it, but as I said, if you're looking for a new cream, a new brand, check this one out. This is really, really good. And out of these products, obviously, as I said, that the moisturizer and the eye cream finish the quickest. Still have halfway through of the serum and the cleanser, but I still have kinda a quarter and more of the toner left, because the toner will last you a long time, because you don't need a lot of the toner, which is really good. But in terms of these products, the one product that I would #1 rate and I recommend is the toner. This is the toner that I will go and get myself as well. And of course I'll get the serum as well. If I run out of my serums and if I need a new serum, then I'm gonna go and get this as well. So overall, I'm really, really happy with these products. I'm really satisfied the way they've kind of worked out and the way they are. This is honestly such an amazing kit for people who want to start off on skincare, people who are new into this brand. I was new into this brand, so this was an amazing kit for me to try out, test out all the products from Glow Recipe. Just on the Cult Beauty website, and I just want to say the way they have described this, I think it's quite interesting. Oh, forgot to say, all of these products you can use day and night. Doesn't have to be in the morning. Some products, some has to be in the night. You can use them in the morning and in the evening, which is good. So it says, first up, the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser, a hydrating makeup remover that melts away dirt without disrupting your moisture barrier. Next up, the Watermelon. So this was the avocado cleanser. Next up, the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner gently exfoliates pores while plumping the skin. Whereas the Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel brightens, where are you? There we go. Brightens, hydrates and depuffs the eye area with its potent vitamin C blend. Okay, so we've got vitamin C, which is really good. And if this was enough, the skin saving set also includes the Watermelon Glow Nice Cinnamon Dew Drops, formulated with micro pearls and glitter. It helps to visibly brighten while delivering an effortless glow to visage. And finally, lock everything in place with the Plum Plum Hyaluronic Cream. A whipped gel cream. See, I knew it's got the gel cream texture. A whipped gel cream texture that moisturizes for restored, rehydrated and radiant finish. So yeah, it's really beautifully created, this kit. And as I said, if you're looking for a new skincare to try out, definitely go and check this kit out. And you'll find this kit in Sephora, Cult Beauty, on the Glow Recipe website. So I'm sure you guys will find this set everywhere, because it was actually out of stock for the longest time, but it's finally in stock now. So I'm sure you guys will find it everywhere as well. In terms of the price point, I think it's around £32 or £30. So that's the price point in pounds basically, and which is quite good. You know, you will have a lovely skincare routine set that will last a long time as well. So you guys, this was it with this quick kind of rapid fire skincare review video from some of these products from Glow Recipe. I'm really impressed with this brand. I really like this brand, and the most important thing I forgot to say is the packaging. The packaging is inspired by fruits, so which is innovative, creative, and I love it, especially if you like watermelons. The scent of this is so good, so good. Anyways, I'm gonna conclude this video in here. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. So if you didn't, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare review videos like these. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. Everything will be linked down below. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.